Hello guys, welcome to the channel. On today's video, I will show you guys the solution if you unable to upload .excel on your notebook LM. There are at least two solutions to solve your problem. So let me create a new notebook, and then I will looking for my I will my Excel like this, and then I just copy and paste. I mean drag and drop to my notebook LM. Wait, is it? And then this one, drag and drop. See, on only following blah 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 blah. Do you notice that CSV? CSV is actually native from Excel. So rather than direct upload your file, you can save as the file. So I will open the Excel for you. You can save as the file as the CSV. So file, I'm using WPS by the way, and then save as, and then make sure you click on CSV on the file type. Where is CSV? This one. Okay, that's it. And then click save, and then simply you just find the reason you change the file. So see, this is the same file but different extension. So when I open it, I'm able I'm able to upload it to NotebookLM. This is the first method. And then the second method, you open your Excel like this, like usual, like previous I show you, and then you open Google Sheets, sheets.new. You just create new sheets, typing sheets.new on your browser, or you can go to your drive.google.com and then click file. Oops, you can go to drive.google.com, and then you can click new and then click Google Sheets. For me, it's much more easier, just sheets.new. And then you open again your Excel, and then press Ctrl A if you are using your keyboard, or you just simply drag like this, and then copy it, Ctrl C, and then paste to your Google Sheets. And then you just copy the link of your Google Sheets, and then simply add sources and add the URL of your Google Sheets. That's it. Very simple tutorial. Very simple, and really helpful for me, and I hope so for you as well. Okay guys, thank you for watching. See you in the next video. I hope this video helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe, or if you have any question about Notebook LM, please put on the comment below, since I'm using Notebook LM very often on my daily basis. So maybe I could help your problem on Notebook LM. See you in the next video. Bye bye.